Okay, meanwhile, there's more news coming in. The BJP has escalated its attack on the DMK. It says that action which has been taken by the state government clearly indicates a clear collusion. This is the information which is coming in from my colleague Yash. Let's listen into his reaction and then I'm going to go across to him.
The response and actions of the state government indicate a clear collusion between government authorities and a lackadaisical approach that is very detrimental towards the state's well-being. These instances are very recurring and common in Tamil Nadu. BJP, first of all, we as a party demands the resignation of the Prohibition and Excise Minister Muthuswamy with immediate effect.
Okay, let me go across to Yash, who's now joining us from the BJP headquarters. Yash, down south, Tamil Nadu remains an important bastion which the BJP would certainly want to crack. But when there are indications, as the BJP alleges, of political collusion, do you get this sense that the BJP would want to keep this issue alive and make the DMK government more and more responsible and accountable?
Well, absolutely, Pallavi. We just heard Shehzad Poonawalla as well as Anil K. Antony speaking on this very issue. In fact, they have raised the attack on the DMK, and one thing they have maintained is that they want resignation of the excise minister of the state, and also they have actually alleged that the DMK is actually working in collusion with the people who are actually making this illicit liquor. Because why they say this? The BJP says that in past also similar sorts of incidents have happened in the state, and in fact in recent past only people have died because of consuming this illicit liquor and spurious liquor. So the BJP demands are very clear. They want a CBI inquiry in this very matter, and they also want that Chief Minister M.K. Stalin should come out and speak on this very issue, because they say that the person who has been actually arrested and the person who is behind the manufacturing of this very liquor, because of which around 55 people have died in Tamil Nadu, is somewhat connected to the DMK. And also they say that the DMK has largely diverted this very issue from the core, and in fact they have not only left they have not only attacking the DMK, but they have not left the entire, they have actually attacked the entire INDI block. They say if something like this would have happened in some other state, the entire bloc would have come together to attack the BJP. But this time around, the double standards of the opposition stands exposed. They say the Congress is with the DMK, and why the Congress is silent on such issues, because in past also we have seen if like for example Shehzad Poonawalla and Anil K. Antony gave the example of the entire Delhi liquor gate scam. In fact, they said that the Arvind Kejriwal government is actually mired in the controversy, and in fact they heard from the Congress defending Arvind Kejriwal. But as of now, nothing has come from any of the partners of the INDI bloc, and they say that their demands are very simple. They want resignation of the excise minister, and also they want a CBI inquiry in this entire matter.